Hi, it's Karen from Simply Said with Karen, and welcome to another session of Tuesday Tips and Techniques. Just to let you know, I have been absent for the last few weeks, and I apologize for that, but sometimes life just gets in the way, and now I'm back, so hopefully we'll be back on track. Anyways, what I'd like to show you today is this raised star made from a piece of designer paper. And I'd like to show you how to fold it. It's an origami fold, and it's fun. So let's get started. First of all, you have to start with a piece of 6x6 designer series paper or cardstock, whichever you prefer. Then you take it and you score it in half. Use the other end here. So that's 3 inches. I want to score that. Now I take that piece of paper and I'm going to fold it in half. And the one thing you have to make sure to remember is that you put your fold at the bottom so you don't waste a lot of paper, which I did because I kept insisting that it had to be at the top. So then you take this corner here and you bring it over to the 1.5 inch mark there and fold it, and use your bone folder so that you get a nice crisp fold there. So now you take this fold on this side and you fold it over, making sure your points match, and give it another swish with your bone folder. So then you take it and you turn the piece completely over and you do another fold, this time to the other corner, and making sure that you have your points together. So that's what it looks like. So then what you do is you take your scissors or your snips. Now depending on how defined you want your points on the star is how you decide the angle to cut it at. So I would like quite a deep point on my star. So I'm going to cut it about here, which is probably about 1 inch down from the pointed. So now this is all garbage, so you can save it or do what you like with it. And here is your star. So you just unfold it, and there's your fold there with quite sharp points. So then what you want to do is you want to make sure that your long folds are the mountain folds, and the other folds in between are your valley folds. So you can just actually do this, because I find that the less you handle, especially if you're using designer paper, the better off you are. So just getting it there and there, so it kind of looks like that. So just give it a good squeeze, and then you open it up and there's your star. They're so cute. Now just to decorate it, I'll just let you know what I did here. I took double-sided tape and taped all the edges. Now don't overlap your tape at the point, just come to the points, because otherwise it gets too bulky. And then I used the glitter glass, just put it into a container and pressed the star down into the glitter glass. I just made a little rosette from some contrasting designer paper, used a little bit of sparkle shimmer paper or silver shimmer paper, put a little dahlia on it and stamped a saying on it, and I used the banner stamp and then just attached a piece of ribbon to the back. Now, isn't that sweet? So those are really easy to do, and they would make such a nice gift or an addition to your holiday decor. Thank you, and we'll see you next week.